Here are 10 amazing facts about our universe. The universe is a name we use to describe the collection of all things that exist in space. It is made up of billions of stars, galaxies, black holes, huge gas clouds, and many other fascinating things. The universe has always been a curious place for many of us. We are all fascinated by the elements of our universe and have always wondered about different mysteries of it. Therefore, we have collected some of the most interesting facts about the universe that will interest you. 1. The space is completely silent. There is no atmosphere in space, which means that sound is not a medium or a way to travel to be heard. Astronauts use radios to stay in communication while in space, as radio waves can still be sent and received to nobody knows how many stars there are in space. It is impossible to predict how many stars there are in our universe. Right now, according to scientists and astronomers, there are an estimate of 200 to 400 billion stars in the Milky Way itself. With this, there are billions of galaxies in our universe. 3. As early as 240 B, the Chinese began documenting the appearance of Halley's Comet. After 164 AC there was a continuous record of the comet each time it was visible. The next Halley's Comet will be seen from Earth in the year 2061. 4. Traces on the Moon will remain there for the next 100 million years. Because the Moon has no atmosphere, it has no wind to erode the surface and no water to wash off the tracks. Therefore, the Apollo astronaut footprints, along with the space footprints, the rover footprints will be there for millions of years. 5. The cost of the NASA spacesuit costs $12 million. The cost of NASA's spacesuit costs about $12 million. However, 70% of the total cost is for the backpack and control module. 6. There is water floating in space. Astronomers have found a huge cloud of water vapor containing 140 trillion times the mass of water in Earth's ocean somewhere about 10 billion light-years away. It is the greatest water discovery ever found. 7. Pluto is smaller than the United States. The planet Pluto is smaller than the United States. If you walk around Pluto's equator, it would be the same distance as walking from London to Denver. 8. The Moon is moving away from Earth. Every year, the Moon moves away from the Earth 3.8 centimeters. Scientists believe that eventually, the Moon will move out of Earth's field of gravity. However, this will not happen for the next billions of years. 9. Jupiter's red spot is shrinking. Jupiter's red spot has been shrinking in recent decades. The famous red spot is actually a giant spinning storm, which used to fit in 3 piles of dirt. However, now only one light can reportedly enter it. 10. The first black hole to be photographed is 3 million times the size of Earth. The first photo of a black hole released in April 2019 shows a halo of dust and gas. It is said to be 310 million trillion miles from Earth. The photo was captured by the Event Horizon Telescope, a network of 8 linked telescopes, and was also captured thanks to the algorithm of programmer K.E. Bowman. These were 10 quick facts. If the entire universe surprises that we probably never finished studying, do not forget to comment because you thought it was more important or interesting until later.